In this episode of Mastering Your Money 2023, I wanted to talk about saving for emergencies. With anyone's finances, there's a lot of moving parts, and there can be a bit of paralysis by analysis, and it really can be overwhelming. At the moment, I'm going through Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace course, and he has a really good kind of starter step. I think he calls it baby step number one. And that is set aside $1,000 in a starter emergency fund. We all know large emergencies are definitely going to cost more than $1,000. Majority of expenses that pop up that maybe go on to credit cards and or end up costing you a lot more with interest over time. Building that $1,000 starter emergency fund can be a really good first step to insulate you from just the normal kind of ins and outs of daily life. You put that, Dave Ramsey says, it's got to be liquid. You don't want to lock those funds up. You want to have them quickly accessible, again, so it doesn't go on credit. In the kind of body here, I'm going to include a few links to some high yield savings accounts. One of the benefits of interest rates going up is that savings accounts, CDs, bonds, etc., are starting to pay really nice returns. Michael Shotnik with Sierra Pacific. Hope you're doing well.